Welcome to my video of the Grandium Hotel in Prague. Now there's going to be a few times where I misquote the name of the hotel. I refer to it as the Grandeur, but it is the Grandium. Two totally different hotels owned by the same group. This hotel is the Grandium. On with the video. Welcome to the Grandeur Hotel in Prague. This is a suite, 234. So this is pretty good actually. The lock stays open for about 3 or 4 seconds, so you definitely open the door one-handed. And we have a massive settee. That is seriously long. Some comfortable chairs and a perf. Now, this is like, oh wait there, you gotta put this in there to activate the lights. So you got, this is massive. This is like a closet. Oh shit. So yeah, they've got a closet in there, towels, ironing thing. You got a little corner here if you want to play hide and seek. Some more safe. So it looks like it'll get a 13-inch laptop in it. Bathroom. Nice deep bath. Separate shower. Pretty big. What we got? Some pleasantries. More hand wash, body lotion. We've got a hair dryer. And then, over here. Oh, this is a joining door. Got one on the other side as well. We've got really good internet speeds. And this is genius. So you don't have to go bending down to plug your stuff in. And got a little pod coffee machine, some teas, kettle. What we got in our minibar, token selection, empty closet space. The separation, so the doors separate the bedroom, the sliding doors. And nice big bed. Oh, there's another adjoining door. Nice, but that bed looks massive. I'll throw the measurements in the edit. So, got some artistry there, and there, and there. And the view, we're roughly in the middle of the hotel. So, yeah, literally right above the door. So there, and there's a pub over there. I'm going to go in there later. That pub is, it's really close to Vincida Square. But that pub is a proper decent pub that serves decent food and doesn't rip you off. So we'll try that out later. Okay, so there you have it. Room 234 at the Grandeur Hotel in Prague. So, one last thing before I go, to let you know about the bed. It's actually very firm, but I did have a decent night's sleep on it. These quilts, they're nice quilts, and the material is it feels like a really high thread cotton. It's really, really luxurious. It's really nice feel, that is. And the pillows are perfect. Pillows are same material, quality cotton. Yeah, they're really, really nice. So yeah, it's a thumbs up from the bed. Right, going down to breakfast now. Something to remember, you do need to tap. And then, oddly enough, ground level is 1. Are 2, 3, 4?
234.
Yeah, 2, 3, 4.
Is the name Payne?
Payne, yeah.
Thank you.
Alright.
Sweet sparkling wine, yeah?
Oh, okay, brilliant, thank you.
Okay, enjoy your breakfast.
Thank you. So, nice massive seating array. And more over there. Okay, I think we'll sit here. Now, what have we here? We've got all the fruits, grapefruit, orange, looks like fruit cocktail, some lettuce, cucumber, tomato, all the cheeses, salamis, nice selection of salamis. The hams, got some fruit bowl, some separate olive oil, soy sauce and balsamico, and some yogurt dressing. And scrambled eggs, steamed vegetables, buckwheat, some rice, some bacon. It looks sort of semi-crispy. Beans. They don't look too appealing actually. Potatoes, they do look nice. I might try some of those. And we've got sausages, they look like Frankfurter style sausages. And grilled vegetables, they do look nice. Most of the peppers it looks like. And this is called bulgur. Never heard of that. Boiled eggs and fried eggs. So there's the 2 buffet arrays. Now you've got all the juices. Got orange juice, multivitamin, apple juice, water. I have no idea whether that's concentrate or proper. Some fresh lemons, ice, cold milk, some nice coffee machines. Let's try one out. So we go for espresso. what we've got in choice. Let me try some brown sugar. Okay, cool. And we'll go for another helping of espresso. And then we'll just pop a bit of cold milk in there, just a little bit. So yeah, you've got two decent sized coffee machines there. And this bread department. Got a toasting machine. It's not much in the way of bread choices, it's pretty small. So there's your choices. Some up here, some up there. Oh, only decoration. Okay, and some bread there and some you can cut up yourself. And then you've got, I guess this is for decoration too. It's a proper old school cutting up machine. So there you have it. So I've just been to the buffet again. I've had a good look at the salamis. I usually take some salamis, but I don't know. I neglected the salamis today. The fat content of them seemed to be a bit higher than they should be. So I didn't touch those. I didn't touch the sausages. I don't really go for the Frankfurter style sausages. I go for like proper decent sausages. So they didn't have those. The beans definitely didn't look appetising at all. Which left the potatoes, which I did like, but then what's the point in having just potatoes? Yeah, I'd say I'd have to give it a thumbs down for the breakfast buffet food availabilities. So what I had was just a bit of cheese, a bit of lettuce and some bread. That's all I'm going to have here. Well, the hotel seems to be popular with the Asian community. It's a lot. I'd say more than half of the clientele are Asian. It's literally only 10 minutes after breakfast opened, and this place is really busy. I mean, when I came in at 6:30 on the dot, there was a horde of people behind me coming in as well. So I mean, well, usually like when you come in on the first call of breakfast, there's hardly anyone there. So that's how it runs in this place. One thing I did forget to cover, I've only just seen actually, omelette and waffle station. So you've got loads of toppings there. And they're freshly made. And then you've got some juices. Oh, there's more seating area. Oh, there's massive seating area there. Yeah, it goes on and on. So let's have a look. You got some the rest. And then, oh, there's 2 more buffet stations. It's basically the same. Yeah. So we've got 2 separate buffet stations, each doing the same thing. Exactly the same. And then you've got some pastries, some pleasantries, a bit of cake, another bread station. It's basically exactly the same. Toaster, more seating, juice station, coffee station, exactly the same. So, yeah. Okay, let's grab some juice. We'll have an orange. And we'll have an apple juice. There you go. Now, let's get to the staff. They've done everything that probably is expected of them. I can't fault the staff. There's no fault there. They don't seem happy. Actually, the only one that's got a sort of semi-smile on her face is the one at the waffle station. But the rest, they just don't seem happy. But yeah, I mean, they're doing their jobs as they should. They just like, all the staff here seem just a bit robotic. Leaving breakfast. Now, there's another odd thing. When I went this way for the first time, this spooks me. Walking down here made me feel a bit dizzy, actually. The floors are so highly polished, so you can hardly see it, but it looks like a mirror. Oh, by the way, there's a ATM there. Probably gives a crap exchange rate. But here, this is what made me feel dizzy. You got so much reflection, so much silver. I actually felt dizzy. I didn't know. I lost my orientation. And I'll tell you what, if you come up here drunk, you can fall over. One more thing. Here is the lobby bar and bistro. It's just a nice little offshoot. Get a view of the street and you get a view of people smoking. So you have Jerry and Valerie and Inna, who run the lobby bar. A total contrast to the rest of the staff. They're really attentive. Customer service is top notch. I can't fault them. They are the golden gems of the Grandium Hotel. Just a cut above the rest of the staff, like a big cut.